Hey, I'm Mama Bear,
And I'm Papa Bear.
and we are whipped. It's been a really long day. I just got home from work actually, an hour ago?
About 45 minutes.
And I have been at work since about 2, something like that, and I've been staining. I don't know if you can see it, but I had stain under this hand's not so bad.
No, you were able to scrub that out.
Well, I use this hand more because I'm right-handed.
Makes
But
sense.
I've been staining cabinets all day, and that's not counting the office work that I was doing before or last night till
4 o'clock.
4 o'clock in the dang morning. I'm pretty tired,
Yeah.
but he had a good day.
Yeah, got some work done at the office. Had the girls kind of to myself today. They went swimming. They hung out and had a lot of fun.
And y'all played a game.
Yeah, Yahtzee.
It's so funny. Last night we played it for the first time with the girls, and Emily said, "Mom, how do you know how to play this game?" I said, "Baby, I played this when I was little." She said, "It's so much fun and boring."
Yeah.
They enjoyed it, but they were bored out of their minds. It was just too much math.
Yeah, I
think.
believe so.
But it was fun.
They get the hang of it. They'll have more fun.
And they wanted to play it again today, so they must have liked it.
They did.
And let's see, we got school getting ready to start back up. August 7th, everybody. That's what our kids start. And then we gotta get uniforms, we gotta get school supplies.
Which you're going to love.
Yes, I love school supplies. That's my favorite time of the year. When I was in school, I didn't care so much for the clothes shopping. I loved school supplies to the point that Papa Bear here has to fuss at me when we go through the store and I see notebooks and
Put
stuff.
blinders on her.
He says, "Can we focus on the groceries? That's what we're here for. I know you see the office supplies, baby, but just wait."
We have enough
Just wait."
folders, number 2 pencils, pens, paper clips. We're good.
Yeah, notebooks. We got enough to last us a lifetime.
Or about 3 weeks.
Yeah, well, I write a lot. But let's see, we're excited about that. And the girls are going to be starting new schools.
Mm-hmm.
So that's going to be really fun. Let's see. I love talking to you guys, but I am just really, really tired. And I know we haven't done a video in the last couple days, but it's been toothaches for Mama Bear and Brother Bear and work. And we have just been really, really all over.
Not a lot of sleep.
I don't know when. Well, no, we've gotten plenty of sleep. It's just sleeping in till 10 o'clock. Last night, we don't stay up that late, but I had a lot to do, so I pushed myself and I managed. And I slept. I think I slept till noon.
It was close. It was real close.
Yes, it was a long night, but
You could probably tell that we're kind of chill tonight.
yeah, very tired. But we're getting things done, and we are preparing for a new chapter in our lives. And let's see, we were working on some of the stuff that I need to get ready for school myself. And I am excited about that, and I'm trying to get to a place with work so that I don't feel like I'm neglecting it or neglecting school when I do start. So we're just kind of all over the place, but things have started to slow down. We do have a fun trip planned for this weekend, a family trip to Florida. Get to see some friends of ours, some friends of his that he hasn't seen in like 15 years up until recently. So we're going to go visit them for the weekend, and my dear friend Jenny that we
remember
saw.
Jenny?
You remember Jenny. We saw her 4th of July, and we are going to see her again. And kids are looking forward to it. Honey Bear and Baby Bear, that's all they're talking about. And I'm kind of using it to bribe them. You better act right. Your behavior is going to keep you from going on this trip. And you best believe that they are on their best. Which isn't really, they're not bad. They get so excited, like Honey Bear said. I just get to having so much fun, I don't know how to stop. But they've just been getting real worked up, but they are doing really good. I'm so proud of them. They have been helping around the house without having to be asked.
Honey Bear did close today.
Oh, yeah.
Helped her sister take a bath. That was nice.
They are just so They are wonderful kids. We love all of them.
They really are.
Brother Bear's getting ready for driver's ed, so we're really scared. But no, that's real exciting, and we just all have a lot going on right now. But we are gonna go ahead and get laid down because Mama Bear and Papa Bear have been watching this series called 24.
Don't know if you've heard of it.
Papa Bear loves it, and it's kind of old, but recent. Like, it's lasted a long time. It's a whole bunch of seasons. Is that right?
Right. 8
Say
years.
that right?
Yeah.
8 years, long time.
She's got to catch up.
So we are on season 1, and because of the lack of time that we have to sit down and watch TV, we could have all the time in the world. I have a problem. I can't sit down to watch TV because I feel like there's other stuff I need to be doing. And if I have time to sit down and watch an hour show, then I should probably be doing bills or dishes or something. But I'm getting out of that because I love that we can just sit and relax and watch TV or something too. And I'm really liking this show. It just pulls you in. You just want to see the next episode after episode, but we can't do that.
There's a reason people watched it.
Right. There's a reason it lasted so long. Well, it's a really good show, and we're going to try to watch an episode before we crash early day tomorrow. But I hope that all of y'all have been doing all right. We have, and we'll talk to you tomorrow. I promise. We'll do a webisode. Wait a dang minute. What webisode is this? Number 7. Look at that. I almost forgot. I'm sorry.
It's okay.
I can't believe I forgot. That's important.
Well,
That
they
needs
got
to
it
be-
at the end.
That needs to be said in the beginning.
It's on the link.
Cut. Just kidding. Anyways, we're going to go ahead and start our show and get some rest. And we will see you tomorrow, I promise, with webisode number 8.
Good night, y'all.
Good night.